Good evening everyone. This is our second video of our Python series. In this video, we are going to learn about variables. If your first video was about output, this video is about data storage. It's the foundation for everything else, from games, keeping score to apps, remembering username, etc. The computer's memory. Last time we made our computer talk, but right now the computer has no memory. It forgets everything as soon as you hit run. What if we want to remember a name, a high score, or a favorite color? Today we are learning about variables. Now, what is variable? Think of a variable as a labeled storage box. You give the box a name and you put a piece of information inside it. For example, imagine a box labeled as player name. Inside, I put the text Alex. Now, whenever I ask the computer for player name, it knows exactly what's inside. Now we are going to write the code. In Python, creating a variable is super easy. Just pick up name, use an equal sign and give it a value. Now we are going to write the code. For example, if I give the player name Alex, now we will write score. For example, 10, 100, and I will write 100. Now we will write print player name. Now when I press enter, it should say the text Alex. See, it is showing Alex. Now if we print score, then oh, I made a mistake. You see, I've put the double exclamation mark, which means the computer will print the word score. Now if I write print normal score, then it should print the value 100. You see, these are also irritating. Also, if I want to keep it in a notebook or like in everything sequence, like in one page there is the code and the other page there is the output. For it, we have to press Ctrl N. It should pop up this. Now we will write the same codes. If we select this and paste in our notebook here, and then enter print now when I press enter, it should print the word Alex, right? But no, it is the code notebook. In here there will be no output shown here. Now if I write print score, now I have to save this file. For it, I can just click the button F5, or you can go here, run module. Now the sources must be saved. I'll click OK and then save it as XYZ. Save. Now here it is only printing the words Alex and the score 100. Now the power of variable is that they can change. If a player gets more points, we just update the box. The computer doesn't care what was there before. It only cares about the current value. Now you can remember your computer, talk, and remember. You're officially building data driven programs. Next time, we're going to combine these into something interactive. Try creating a variable for your own name and printing it out. Let me know in the comments what you name your box. Thank you.